that a broken window screen at home could be fixed without paying anyone. Just find a piece of scrap pipe. Use this pipe to repair the window screen. Breathable and sturdy. How do we use this pipe to repair it? It's round. Let's demonstrate the process. This blue pipe is more visible. You can also use a white one. This one is easier to see. Let's repair it now. The method is very simple. First, find a pair of scissors. Cut a notch in the pipe, because we'll use it to repair the screen. Find a lighter. Heat the pipe at the notch. Soften the pipe. This is a water pipe. It's relatively easy to soften. Heat it directly like this. After heating, bend it. Make it flat. After it softens, cut this piece completely. Since it's soft after cutting, find a hard object. Press it like this. Flatten it. Like this. Hold it down to let it cool. After cooling, draw a circle and cut it out. Look, now the round pipe has become square. Since the window screen is broken, find a gasket. In this position, cut a circular arc. To easily repair the window screen, cut it directly according to the gasket. After cutting it out, we can use it on the window screen. This is the effect after cutting. We need to punch small holes in it. You can use a nail. Heat the nail head with the lighter. Punch small holes. For better ventilation, make holes directly on the pipe. This is the effect after finishing. Complete ventilation holes. Then apply hot melt adhesive. Apply it in a circle. Apply the hot melt adhesive around the edges. Then stick the pipe on. Stick it firmly. Like this. Basically, the window screen is repaired. See, hold it down and stick it firmly. This method is simple and practical. Excellent breathability. Share this with you.